Hello, dear readers. Today we will visit some turkey farms in the United States to explore the methods of raising and harvesting turkeys. According to data published in 2020, the total number of turkeys in the U.S. is estimated at 224 million, with Minnesota, North Carolina, Kansas, and Indiana being the states with the largest turkey populations. At an advanced turkey egg incubation facility in Minnesota, modern equipment allows for the incubation of up to 57,000 chicks per cycle. In recent years, Minnesota has consistently led the nation in turkey numbers, with about 44 million birds, accounting for 18% of the total U.S. turkey population. Currently, the U.S. has about 2,500 turkey farms, including 667 farms located in Minnesota. Through this article, we can gain a better understanding of the scale and techniques of turkey farming in the leading states of the U.S., as well as the importance of the turkey farming industry to the national agriculture. In today's video, join Nature Farm as we explore how American farmers raise over 200 million turkeys using special technology. I hope you will take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. And now let's get to the details. In the poultry care and development process, after 7 days, thousands of eggs are inspected to verify the proper development of the cells inside, ensuring high-quality germination standards. By the time they reach 4 weeks of age, thousands of eggs have completed the hatching process, and the young turkeys begin their new life stage. At this stage, the animals undergo health checks and vaccinations to prepare for the next growth cycle. In the poultry farming industry, older or weaker turkeys are often removed from the flock to enhance the prosperity and health of the overall population. The newly hatched turkeys, though slightly larger, do not differ much from other chickens in the initial days after hatching. After completing the inspection and vaccination steps, thousands of turkeys are transferred to specialized farms. Raising turkeys is relatively similar to raising chickens, but requires more time for them to mature and be ready for harvest. In Minnesota, turkey farms typically need about 180 days to reach the harvest stage. Currently, North Carolina ranks second in the United States in turkey production, with about 33 million birds being raised on 389 farms. Arkansas is also noted as a leading state in turkey farming, with a total of approximately 31.5 million birds. According to industry data, the turkey farming sector in Arkansas contributes approximately $304 million to the state's economy each year and creates around 19,000 job opportunities. This reflects the diversity in turkey farming methods, including both confinement and free-range practices. Free-range farming not only helps prevent diseases, but also enhances the quality of turkey meat. Commercial turkeys are generally considered fully mature when they weigh between 30 and 40 pounds, whereas wild turkeys usually weigh between 15 and 25 pounds. Alabama currently has the highest number of wild turkeys in the United States. The primary costs of raising turkeys include soybeans, corn, wheat, and barley. After about 6 months, thousands of turkeys are ready for harvest. Workers then proceed to catch and package the turkeys into crates before they are transported to processing plants. In 2021, approximately 46 million turkeys were consumed during Thanksgiving, 22 million during Christmas, and 19 million during Easter. Alexander Hamilton, the first Secretary of the Treasury of the United States, once declared that every American should eat turkey on Thanksgiving Day, a tradition that continues to this day. The article describes the processing of turkeys at a modern facility where thousands of turkeys are handled daily. Here, the turkeys undergo a scalding process to remove feathers before proceeding to further processing steps. Advanced technology has been implemented to optimize efficiency, allowing this facility to operate with only about 40 to 50 workers. This reflects the high level of mechanization and automation in the poultry processing industry. The United States, with a long history in turkey production, leads the world in this industry, followed by Brazil and Germany. The U.S. agriculture utilizes about 9.7 million acres of land and includes approximately 47,000 farms operating annually. In Florida, the agriculture and agribusiness sector significantly contributes to the economy with $161 billion in 2022. There are about 103,000 farmers in the state working on farms, not only in crop production, but also in related industries. Florida's agricultural sector generates up to 1.5 million jobs each year, accounting for 14% of the total jobs in the state. Florida is also famous for its primary agricultural products like oranges, sugarcane, and sweet corn. These products, along with the greenhouse and nursery industries, make a significant contribution to the state's agricultural sector. Notably, over 93% of the U.S. orange juice production comes from Florida oranges. Additionally, the livestock industry in Florida is also well developed, with large farms such as Desert Farm, the largest cattle ranch in the state. Covering 295,000 acres and ranking 7th among the largest farms in the U.S. currently, we are present in a field in Everglades City, South Florida, where farmers are employing advanced agricultural methods by cultivating rice and vegetables. Notably, they have established artificial nests, which are boxes placed around the farm, aimed at attracting owls to live and breed. The presence of owls in the farm area significantly helps in controlling the population of rodents that damage crops, thereby reducing the need for chemical pesticides to kill mice or harmful insects. It is estimated that rodents and insects cause approximately $7 million in damage annually to agriculture in Florida. However, the adoption of biological control measures, such as using barn owls, has helped eliminate about 43 pest species. Each adult barn owl can hunt and consume at least 8 mice per night, and this number increases when they are raising their young. According to the Bureau of Wildlife and Plant Investigation, there are about 19 owl species living in Florida. Additionally, there are 373 farms implementing owl husbandry as a method of pest control for crops. Most young owls do not leave the nest until they are 4 months old, by which time they are capable of hunting and surviving on their own. After leaving the nest, owls tend to nest and live near the area where they were born, and the number of owls living around the farms is increasing each year, bringing significant economic benefits to farmers growing corn, sugarcane, rice, and vegetables. We will explore a farm in Southwest Florida where farmers have raised thousands of bumpless camels. Currently, this is the most common breed of camel in Florida and across the United States, primarily raised for their wool and as companion animals. A few bumpless camels are also raised for meat commercialization purposes. The diet for bumpless camels is similar to that for sheep and goats. Hence, many farms have combined sheep and bumpless camel rearing for wool production. As of 2017, there were about 39,500 bumpless camels in the U.S. However, by February 2022, this number had soared to over 165,000. A 2022 report by the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, indicates that there are about 31,000 individuals owning bumpless camels in the U.S., with approximately 7,300 of them being raised in Florida, distributed across 213 farms. Bumpless camels are considered fully mature at a minimum of 30 months old, with an average weight of about 300 pounds for females and 360 pounds for males. The current average price of a bumpless camel in the U.S. is about $535. In